Alright, so in this video we're going to be solving quadratic equations with the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That's a mouthful. And so over here, the first step is to define a, b, and c. So our a is 1. Our b is 4, and our c is 3. So now we have to plug these values in to this formula. So to do that, negative b, so that's negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared, that's 16. Right, and minus 4ac, so that's minus 4 times 1 times 3. Then you get negative 12. So plus 12. And all over 2 times. So, and then 2 times 1 is 2, put that over there. So negative 4 plus or minus. Now we have to simplify this right here. So going downward, you have negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 over 2. Now the square root of 4 is, if you factor tree 4, get 2 times 2. So it's going to be 2. So now you're left with negative 4 plus or minus 2 over 2. So now over here, you're going to want to simplify and check to see what happens for a plus and for a minus. So if it's a plus, you'd have negative 4 plus 2 over 2. So that leads to negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. So x equals negative 1, or you could go off over here and say that negative 4 minus 2 over 2. That gets you negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. You have negative 3. And what you can do to solve this, or check to see, is you can plug this into here and see if it equals 0. So you'd have x squared, so that's 1 plus, or 1 minus 4 plus 3 equals 0. That's correct. For negative 3, you'd have 9 minus 12 plus 3. That also equals 0, so we know that this is correct. So this is our solution. These are our solutions.